पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर 3-4 दिन में 200 नाउ फर्स्ट रिएक्शन
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी। अरे बीच में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? थैंक यू
Sajid sir, but before we ask anybody, your father is here. Have you looked at him and seen thumbs up or no? ये तो already देख चुके होंगे. This hasn't happened before. I don't remember Salim sir being there.
Ever coming, na?
Yes, this is the first time.
Yeah, he wanted to be here.
And was there another reason why he loved the film, or he just wanted to come? What was the reason why he wanted to come for this one?
He's loved the film and he wanted to see the. आप सबसे मिलना था, देखना था कि आप मुझे कैसे ट्रीट करते हो।
This is a great partnership also that has come back. लोग बोलते हैं कि ईद has become synonymous with you forever. जब एक आध गैप आ जाता है, so लगता है कि fill in the blanks क्यों?
ईद, दिवाली, न्यू ईयर, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And पिक्चर अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर 3-4 दिन में 200 नाउ फर्स्ट रिएक्शन
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी।
फर्स्ट रिएक्शन साजिद सर, नाउ दैट यू सीन दिस आल्सो देयर, इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक अ लेबर ऑफ लव व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग इट, और हम लोग वैसे डिस्कस करते हैं, थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस तो होती है कि पब्लिक क्या बोलेगी। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन यू सॉ इट एंड यू हर्ड सम चीयर्स एट द बैक, कैसा लगा?
हाय एवरीबॉडी, आई हैव बीन मेकिंग फिल्म्स 37 इयर्स और हर बार लगता है कि इस टाइम नर्वस नहीं होगा, डन, बट सीइंग ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, आई होप यू ऑल लाइक द trailer, and I want to just say a simple word for Salman. I know we made Kick together. उसमें एक डायलॉग था अभी I'd written, ये दिल में आते हैं समझ में नहीं. While making this film ये दिल में भी आए, समझ में भी आए, रिब्स ब्रेकिंग के बाद शूटिंग पे भी आए, और आज प्रेजेंट कंडीशन में ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी आए. Thank you.
Well, so big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes, we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you.
And you put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें करनी पड़ती
बीच में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ, बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सभी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Murugadas sir, just I was reading a lovely article. You said, when I'm making films with big stars, I just make big films, in that way. You have to also cater to the audience, what the audience wants, what the star also has, as a name for so many years. Someone like Salman sir is, literally pan-India. It works like that. You seem so unassuming all the time. How do you make these big, this has got emotion, this has got action? Are you like this on the chair also when you're directing? Is this like this only with a small voice, or is there another side of you that we haven't seen which is there in the films also? Because the films have a lot of aggression. So which side is this?
I want to share something with you, please.
One second, I'll just, just take, yes.
Thank you.
Just increase the volume for this mic.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad Studio in Chennai. I request the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I don't know what was the shoot, so I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's coming.
Backside. Like my backside.
So he's coming. So I tried to see who is the hero. He turned, is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So when that shoot started, So without knowing, I went forward. So, so the God touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave.
Yeah.
So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years, I have directed with him.
Fantastic.
So
Just imagine what the security guard must be thinking now, sir, when he comes to watch this movie.
so thank you, sir.
And then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
So thank you, sir. Definitely, Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think all that is quite simple and very sorted out. जिस तरह हमने देख लिया. Let's go to that lady over there in the red. You know, when we were chatting, everything looks fantastic. You know, when you come on stage, there's an aura of a gentleman, and it's happened to so many people. I've had people that just don't suddenly just stop speaking in front of Salman sir. You're in a film which is there, which is going to be larger than life. You're going to walk away. No matter what you do, 200, 300, 400, 500 ऐसे बन जाएंगे. Have you thought about those things? And now that the trailer has been seen by everyone, which is the first time you also saw it, how are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
Now, all that, I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times, I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, I don't mean it.
But after that, like now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there, and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murgados sir. It's very special, and when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's there.
Yeah, your box office record.
Yeah, so
प्रेशर
excited.
मत डालो भाई.
Sir, मैंने मुरुगदास सर पे तो 0 का pressure डाल दिया. 100,000 बोल दिया. So we already crossed that. Kajal, you've been so fantastic over the years, in various industries as well. Earlier there was a time, where it would be completely different. Things have become so similar now. It's almost like, you walk in from here into that industry as well. But just being part of a large magnum opus, does it still excite you as much when you see yourself on screen?
Good evening, everyone. Of course, it will. I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film. And I don't think it's the number of films you do. I think that excitement will just always remain. And this I can say for everyone as well. I mean, all of us watched the trailer for the first time today, and we were all hooting and whistling and clapping. So.
Were you critically looking and said, that's a good shot that they put in the trailer there? Were you saying
I have this very bad habit. I'm always critically looking.
but it's okay. But you're looking fantastic.